3.
Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices are a little bit lower overnight. USDA estimated the corn and bean crop continued to be higher than average, which offered a little bit of weakness. We've got some scattered showers moving across the Midwest, and the central part of the Midwest should get some good rains today. It is interesting that you've got some dueling forecasts out there. One of the biggest bears in the marketplace actually sees 6 to 10 day drier and warmer than normal, so he's a little friendly, which could mean the end of the world. As far as the driest forecaster, all spring long, he sees rains in the 11 to 15 day map. So it's going to be one of those interesting years, not only with the real weather, but the forecasts coming out. So actually the 2-week forecast from the National Weather Service is warm and dry. As far as the news, 75% of the corn crop is rated good to excellent. Iowa's 80, Illinois 75. 74% of the soybean crop is rated good to excellent versus 67 last year. 61% of the winter wheat crop is rated good to excellent, and 11% of the crop is harvested. By next week, maybe 30 to 35% of the crop. The farmer, even though the basis is wide and prices is down, the farmer where they are harvesting winter wheat is selling the wheat. Analysts estimated the corn crop at 14 billion bushels and 166 yield. That's a little bit below the USDA number. And a 3.9 soybean crop, which is close to the USDA numbers. Current states that are above trend yield is Iowa, Minnesota, and Nebraska for corn, Iowa, Minnesota, North Dakota, and Tennessee for the beans. We do have some commercials that are still bullish long-term soybean prices, looking at the crush next year at 2030 versus the government's 1900, and exports at 2030 versus 1900, crush at 1980 versus 1915. That would give us a carryout down to 150. They also estimated the Brazil crop, soybeans at 95.5, the government's 97, and the corn crop at 75, the USDA is at 77.5. We get the NOPA crush, and when it comes out, it could be a record for the month of May. Funds yesterday, big sellers of beans, meal, and wheat. They bought a lot of corn. Continue to have big long positions in beans and corn, short week going into the summer season. So anyway, we've got dueling forecasts, which makes for volatility. Outside markets, the dollar's higher, crude's lower. International Energy Agency said that they see an increase in global crude oil supply by 2017. And we're always watching this Brexit vote and whether Great Britain is going to leave the common market. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.